Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to use the Linear Regression Channel indicator in Tradingview and how it can help us identify trends, price direction, and possible support and resistance levels. The Linear Regression Channel is a technical analysis tool that draws a trend channel automatically based on price data. It has a middle regression line and upper and lower channel lines, which show where price usually moves within a trend. Let's get started. First, we open our chart in Tradingview and choose the time frame we want to look at. This tool works on any time frame, whether we are day trading or looking at long-term trends. Next, we click on the Indicators button at the top of the chart. In the search bar, we type Linear Regression and select Regression Channel. Then we select it from the results. Tradingview will instantly add the indicator to our chart. Once it's there, we will see three main parts: the middle line, which shows the average price trend, the upper channel, which often acts as resistance, and the lower channel, which often acts as support. Price usually moves inside this channel during a trend. When price gets close to the upper band, it might slow down or pull back. When it gets close to the lower band, it might bounce or move up. Now, let's customize it. Click on the settings icon for the indicator. Here, we can change the length, which controls how many candles are used to calculate the channel. A shorter length reacts faster, while a longer length gives a smoother, more stable trend. We can also change the colors and line thickness to make the channel easier to see. The Linear Regression Channel works best in trending markets. We use it to spot trend direction. Find possible entry points near the lower channel in an uptrend. Find possible exit or short areas near the upper channel. And check trend strength when price stays near the middle line. For best results, we combine it with other tools like support and resistance, RSI, or volume to avoid false signals. A few quick tips. Avoid using this indicator in choppy or sideways markets. Don't use it by itself. Always confirm with other indicators. Try different lengths to match your trading style. To remove the indicator, open the indicator's name here and click the trash icon to remove it. To recap, we add the Linear Regression Channel indicator, adjust the settings, and use the channel lines to understand trend direction and possible price reactions. This indicator is a helpful way to see market structure and trade with the trend, not against it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more beginner-friendly Tradingview guides, and I'll see you in the next one.